Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In my last video where I made the mincemeat tarts, I should have gone into a little bit of the background about the filling that I was using in those tarts. After reading some of the comments underneath the video, I realized that I should have gone into a little bit of detail about that filling that I was using. That filling that I was using in the tarts contains no meat. In some jars of mincemeat filling, you will see something called suet, which is derived from an animal fat. But in the one that I am using, there is no suet. The information that you're seeing on the screen right now, I took from the company website, and you can see that they've been making this product for a very long time, going back to 1891. So from the main description, we can see here it says Robertson's mincemeat is a delicious mix of apple, dried fruits, candied peel, and mixed spices. So if we look at the official ingredient list, you can see that there are apples, vine fruit, sultanas, raisins, currants. There's a glazing agent, palm oil, sunflower oil, candied mixed peel. There's also, what else do we have? Orange peel, lemon peel, citric acid, and then we have a vegetable suet. So it does not contain any animal byproduct, and that suet is made from palm oil, sunflower oil, and rice flour. And then there are some mixed spices. We've got cinnamon, coriander, dill, fennel, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, cassia, and some other things. So I just wanted to do a really fast clarification video on what was in that filling that I used in those mincemeat tarts. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.